Welcome to EasyData, the provider of data science solutions. We deliver you superior results faster, straightforward, and more secure than ever seen before. Signing up for an evaluation account is simple and start at no costs. Step 1. We need to get understanding of your requirements. Inform our experts about the data you want to extract and analyze. Step 2. Let's bring your innovation strategy into reality. Step 3. Congratulations! Your smart data journey started. You take automated document handling and analyses to the next level. Enjoy the comfort of VIP support for any questions or possible modification into your environment. EasyData make data science innovations accessible for everybody, whatever the task. Sign up for a free account today.